Master of Ceremony, often abbreviated as MC. From the definition, we know that MC leads a ceremony or an event, acts on behalf of the host to make sure the ceremony or the event runs smoothly as planned. The term itself was actually originated from the Catholic Church in the 5th century. Interestingly, the term MC is also associated with the hip-hop industry since the 70s. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. You are watching MCBali channel. If you are new to my channel, I encourage you to check my other contents, also my profile on MCBali.com. MC holds an important role to conduct the event flow and to ensure the audience are connected with the event. To be a good MC, we need to know what MC duties are. Is it only announcing one program to another program? Is it merely announcing the speakers? For different types of events, MC duties vary. For weddings, MCs are expected to announce the photo sessions, to remind the guests to sign the guest book, to help them find their seats, to follow the seating arrangements, to announce the grand entrance, to explain the meal service, also to introduce the speakers during the reception. MCs also announce the wedding cake cutting, also the bouquet throwing activities and other games, perhaps if there are any in that wedding reception. Mostly, weddings have similar requirements. They must lead the bridal party to follow the overall reception program and to encourage the guests to be attentive to those programs. My tips: allocate our schedule to meet the bridal and the groom in advance, also perhaps with their families as well, so we can know their character, especially to know the do's and the don'ts. For corporate events, MC must check with the client or the event owner about their expectations. The MC represents the corporate, so MC performance must adhere to their policy. We are expected to announce the housekeeping rules, to represent the host, to explain the program agenda, to make proper introduction to the speakers, explain the program details, such as the discussion rules, the use of technical details, such as how to use the delegate microphone, the interpretation device, any online surveys, etc. MC also needs to announce any other information that has not yet explained by other speakers. For state events, especially in minister levels or presidential level events, moreover in international events, MC's duties include the ability to understand and implement the VIP protocol. We cannot deny that for such event, MC represents the host state or the host country. Check out my video that has explained VIP handling. In summary, MC holds important roles to make sure the event runs smoothly in the right ambience for the audience. Do practice in handling events. If you got any possible chance to MC an event, grab it. Practice does make perfect. Well, or at least it gives us more exposure about how to handle events. That's all. Thank you for watching. Do you have any questions? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to MCBali channel. Hit that subscribe button and also the bell to notify you for any new contents from me. Also, if you can, hit that thumbs up button for the video. Share this video to your family and friends who want to be good at MC or want to have crash courses on public speaking. From Bali, Indonesia, I'm Nirmala Trisna, signing off. Thank you for watching. See you next time.